Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master 15. Let us directly go to our quiz. When organisms use chemical energy to produce carbohydrates, this process is called chemosynthesis. The one-way movement of energy through an ecosystem is best described as a food chain. Why is a food web a better model than a food chain for showing feeding relationships? Many animals eat more than one kind of food. Biological processes, geological processes, and chemical processes biochemical cycles involved in cycling matter. Cell organelle, which makes spindle fibres that attach to the chromosome during cell division. Centrioles. Protein structures which move the chromosomes during cell division. Spindle fibers. A thread-like gene-carrying structure found in the nucleus. Chromosome. Chromosomes become visible, nuclear envelope dissolves, spindles form. Prophase. Second phase of mitosis, during which the chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Metaphase. The third phase of mitosis, during which chromosome pairs separate by the spindle fibers and move toward opposite poles. Anaphase. phase of mitosis in which the distinct individual chromosomes begin to spread out into a tag of chromatin and nuclear membrane reforms around the separated chromosome. Telophase. Division of the cytoplasm to form two separate daughter cells. Cytokinesis. Area where the chromatids of a chromosome are attached. Centromere. Human body cells, cells that undergo mitosis. Somatic cells. Surrounds the nucleus and controls what goes in and out of the nucleus. Nuclear membrane. Each half of the chromosome, daughter chromosomes. Chromatid. How many chromosomes do humans have? 46. Control center of the cell. Nucleus. A complex molecule containing the genetic information that makes up the chromosomes. DNA. A reproductive process that involves only one parent and produces offsprings that are identical to the parent. Asexual reproduction. Differences among individuals in the composition of their genes or other DNA sequences. Genetic variation. The process that produces sex cells, eggs or sperms with half the chromosomes. Meiosis. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 12. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.